All right, my friends. So for today's experiment, we're talking about how colors mix together to make different colors. So the materials you're going to need are 3 bowls, some milk, 3 cookie cutters of any kind, a dish with dish soap, Q-tips, and food coloring of 3 colors. You need blue, yellow, and red. These are our primary colors. So what we're going to do is on your seesaw activity, I'm going to show you with the camera quick, to fill out this part before we start. It says red and yellow, yellow and blue, and red and blue. So next to it, you have to decide what color do you think red and yellow are going to make, okay? If you think it's going to make green, then you make a blob for green. If you think yellow and blue are going to make, I don't know, pink. I'm not going to tell you the right answers. And if you think red and blue are going to make like a red color, then you fill in a circle next to that. Okay, so first we're going to do red and yellow. So you're going to take the food coloring. My food coloring is a gel food coloring, and so it kind of sinks to the bottom. Whereas if you had the regular food coloring, it wouldn't sink. And yellow. So we have red and yellow, and the yellow is going to go in the middle. So I have equal drops, 4 in each. Then you're going to take the Q-tip and you're going to get some dish soap, and I'm going to drip it in. You see how it moved away? Now, because mine is on the bottom, I'm gonna just kind of give it a whirl. All right, oops, I got some of the red in there. Whoa, it's already doing it. What color are we getting there? So I'm gonna pull this part out. And they're swirling together. Do you see the red and the yellow mixing? There we go. What color did it make? Orange. Did you predict it correctly? Go back to your seesaw worksheet and fill out what the color really is, so that red and yellow make orange. Okay, so you should have made a prediction about yellow and blue. So I'm going to put some yellow, and I know it looks red coming out. I always wondered about that. And I'm going to put some blue. All right. I'm going to put some dish soap on my Q-tip. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So when the dish soap hits the milk, it's breaking up the fat of the milk, which makes it swirl. So now I'm going to take it out, let the 2 colors mix together. Okay, now I'm going to take my Q-tip. Ooh, blend it. Isn't that pretty? So it's blending together. What color is it becoming? Oop. All right, I think I got all the food coloring off the bottom. And made kind of like a green. It's a turquoise green, but it is green. I know the camera kind of distorts the color a little bit. Try getting the light off to see if that helps. All right, so go back to your seesaw sheet and add that blue and yellow make green. All right, so in our last one, we have red and blue. So you should have put down what you think red and blue are going to make. Is it going to make black? Okay. So again, take the soap. Touch the water with it. I'm just trying to drip it in first to see. Now my food coloring doesn't sit on the surface because it's gel, but if you have regular food coloring, it should do a better job. Ooh. So we have the red and we have the blue in the middle. So we have to decide, what color is it going to make? It's starting to seep in together. Okay, I'm swirling it together. I think I put more blue than I put red. Here's some of it coming. A little hard to tell, but there's parts here, like right here, that's more purple. Then you got some blue here. It's still kind of mixing together. I'm just going to add a little more red. I don't know if it was completely equal. Okay. Well, it's purple. You might not be able to tell on the camera. So I guess it'd be a good idea if you did it yourself so you could see that it is purple. Okay, so go back to your seesaw activity. Look at all the colors and mark what colors they made. Red and yellow made orange. Yellow and blue made green. That's a pretty green. And red and blue made purple. I think you can tell when they're all together now. The color's better. Very pretty. I wonder what I should do with this.